Sorry, Councillor Kingi, would you mind giving us a karakia or a blessing for the day, if that's okay? Thank you, Councillor Kingi. Okay. Thank you very much, Councillor Kingi. Item 3.1 is the confirmation of the minutes of the Ordinary Council meeting on the 29th of September 2020. Any points of clarification of those minutes at all? Councillor Body. Annual report when it's due, when it's ready. Mr. Manhannan.
Through the chair, we are hopeful for the November council meeting. We're still waiting on audit.
Audit to do there.
Swamped, and it didn't make sense to bring it to this meeting and then have to withdraw the paper once again.
Yeah, sure. Thank you, Mr. Manhannan. So hopefully November, Councillor Body. Thank you. All right, do I have a mover for those minutes, please? Thank you, Councillor Leonard, seconded by Councillor Williamson. All those in favour, please say aye. Against? Carried. Okay, the 3.2, unfortunately, they were excluded from the, which is the confirmation of the minutes of 6th October. I believe they're all on your diligent. And are there any points of clarification of those minutes? Haven't had enough time to read them. That was the transport strategy, wasn't it? Yeah. Thank you, Councillor Kingi, seconded by Councillor Taylor. All those in favour, please say aye. Against? Carried.